In this basic video, today I will show you how to fix some Excel options are inactive, grayed out. So to resolve this problem, you can try this method and make sure if you have active license for Microsoft Office. So in this case, this method will work. We can see some options are grayed out in insert in formula. So to resolve this error, just you need to change setting. Click on File, More, and here click on Options, Advanced. Scroll down and here just select All. Then click on OK. So this is the way you can fix this setting. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.